What's up, guys? It's Amanda from AK Cycles, and I wanted to do a quick little video about the Insta360 X3 camera. So this is a little bit of an upgrade from the X2, which this video is actually being shot on the X2 right now, so that's kind of cool. So one of the different upgrades, or I guess just differences on the X3, is the charging port door actually comes off. So I wanted to do a close-up of this because this scared the crap out of me trying to take this out. But it's actually not as crazy as you think. You're not going to break it. So just wanted to do a quick little demonstration. So if you see this, this is already off, but it just clips in like so. So this is how it starts out. It opens up. It's on this little hinge thing. So the only trick is to keep it open and then just pull it. I mean, don't be afraid, just yeet it out. It's all right. It's not going to break. So after time, I think it wears in a little bit too. I've only put this on like 3 or 4 times, but it's getting easier every time, I feel like, so that's nice. So once you take this little door off here, the media mod or the adapter, this will actually go in right here just like a puzzle piece. So it's got the same little connection here, and then you just line it up and it snaps right in. So this is the media mod or the adapter for the for your microphone here. So this is about to go in my motorcycle helmet, but you can use it for anything else too. You don't just have to use this type. But so this just mounts right in here, and then if you look at this, you can actually still charge the camera while this is in the little port. So that's kind of nice. There's another little doodad here that Insta360 has that you can put in here as well. Boom. So this just lets you get files in and out faster, or if you just have like a bad connection, this is just a little bit easier. But this video is more about the port. So just be careful that every time you put stuff in and out of the port, everything's lined up and you're not yanking stuff around. That's the best advice I can give you for this. But like I said, I was really scared to do this at first, and it's really not that big of a deal. So once again, there it is. Once again, that's about how much force it'll use to get this out of here. So this camera has actually been really nice so far, so I can't wait to review it a little bit more and let you know how it goes in the actual helmet. So we'll keep you posted with some updates. Thanks for watching.